SuperMindz! Hey there, Super Explorers! Welcome to SuperMindz. We've got everything from cool learning stuff to fun games and quizzes. Let's go! Guess the correct answers. What color is the sun? Yellow. Which animal barks and wags its tail? Dog. What do you use to write and draw with? Pencil. What month comes after December? January. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. What do bees collect from flowers? Honey. What has wheels and you can ride on it? Bicycle. What do you wear on your feet? Socks. Which of the following is a fruit? Apple. What do you use to brush your teeth? Toothbrush. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.